These are the elevator bank 1 at the University Hospital. Okay.
Staying down?
Yeah, I thought it was going down.
You want
B2,
the main floor?
yeah.
Yeah, very good. Anybody going to one or B1? Everybody's ground floor?
Ground floor. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
You didn't know you were gonna be an operator today.
You know what? I'm all right with that. I could hide out in here. Wonder how long it would take them to find me.
We won't say a word.
Yeah, we'll be a
Ground
team.
floor.
Ground floor. Parking.
Thank
Lab.
you. Thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
Thank you.
Right, to the B2 level. Nope, that's done. Let's go to 2. So B2 is actually the ground floor. These are Elevonic 411s. This is elevator bank 2 at the University Hospital. When you saw these at the 2025 meetup, they were in the process of the mod. Now they are fully modded. I'm gonna take this one over here. That's weird. B2. These are full mod by Schindler. Originally Otis elevators. Or Elevonic 4.
Basement, level 2, going up.
Originally these were Elevonic 401 elevators as you saw in the 2025 meetup.
Going up.
Basement level 1. What floors you got them to? Yeah, you're on B1, so level 1 then?
Going up.
2, okay. 2. Yeah, we got 2 for you already. Hospital elevators here are very, very busy, so bear with me, guys.
Second floor, going up.
We're supposed to go to. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And let's go back. Continue up. Skipping floor 3. Nine. Back to 2, where we just were.
Ninth floor, going down. Going up.
That doesn't.
Which is fine,
Maybe
you know.
one of the second years should have stepped in.
I mean, they did. They did the transplant and some of them, yeah. But you know, most of them.
This is elevator bank 3 at the hospital. We're gonna grab a different elevator. This one's for me. Also, originally Otis elevators. This is a Schindler mod that is slightly older than elevator bank 2.
Floor B2.
Mine's locked. Go to 8 though. Skipping floor 3 again.
Floor 8.
2.
Floor 5.
5. Coming down to 2.
Yeah.
Classic Schindler. Doors do not close, does not work.
Floor 2.
This is elevator bank 4 at the University Hospital. B2. These are also Otis modernized elevators. Go to 3 as 4 is locked. Oh, I'm gonna be stopping here. Oh, now that you're back on B1. 3.
Yes. Thank you.
Oh,
Good luck. Yikes. Could you get 2 for me, sir?
Sure.
Thanks a lot. Right. There she is. How you doing?
where are you going? 3?
3, please.
We're on 3. Let's get back to 2. Oh, this is 3rd floor.
Thank you.
Oh, the button somehow just disappeared. There we go. We're back on 2. This is elevator bank 5. Three. This time it's a generic mod.
floor.
Go on.
Yeah.
Are you going
Yes.
to? Yeah, okay. Stopping on 2 again.
Second floor, going down.
Once again, these were Otis elevators. One. Back to 2.
First floor.
Exact same modernized cab as the last one.
Second floor.
This is elevator bank 6. The one to the right side only go up from here, and the other 2 do serve the down, which we are going to be using today. These ones are some of the busiest here.
Going down.
This is the that. Let's go to 1. That's locked, so we're gonna go to 9.
Floor 9.
Is this the grandma voice?
Going down.
These elevators were installed like this.
Floor 2. Going up.
That's really interesting. The door takes a while to close too. This is elevator bank 7. The most in the bank. The most elevators in one bank, I'm pretty sure.
Going up.
It's also got this voice. These ones go all the way up to 12. Let's hit it and see where else.
Oh, what numbers?
I think 4.
All of you guys? 4?
Could you hit 8, please?
8?
Absolutely.
Thank you.
It will go up to 12.
Is that a K?
It's a different type of bakery.
Floor
pastries,
four.
yeah.
Did you get them like here in half?
Just in downtown, 10 minutes away.
Going up.
Everyone go. That's you're at 4. You can.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
It's the same type of Otis elevator. We also skipped floors 5 and 6.
Floor 8.
Right.
I'll do the same.
Thank you guys.
You're welcome.
Going up.
Going up.
I'm 10.
Yeah, it's already pressed.
Floor 10.
Thank you.
Going up. Floor 12.
On 12. Now let's go back down to 2.
Going down. Going down. Floor 2. Going up.
Something I'll get at.
Going up.
This is elevator bank 8. Now these are actually my very first Dovis elevators. Dover combined with Otis. This will be a while. One is here now.
I mean, like, we were so glad when we were.
Dover. Their usual Dover is here on the inside. What was that beep? For the 7. It's just the Otis lanterns on the outside that made it a Dovis. It's probably the glitchiest Dover beep I've heard. 2. Once again, that Otis chime outside. Cab is obviously not original. What is that? These are the staff elevators that end up right behind the visitor elevators. They're all so Dovis. 1. This is a GAL button. Yeah, I just wanted to hit it and it took me back up to 6. Also sick. 5,100 pounds. We're on 6. At 2. This makes me laugh. That was a bit longer than usual. This is elevator bank 9. That's right, got the classic vintage Otis bell. 1. It's an older Otis mod. All the outside stuff's original. 8. It's a rather sticky button. Two. These were originally vintage Otis elevators from the 1960s, perhaps. And I love that bell.
We're gonna bring it back down and until we go, so.
This is elevator bank 10.
Oh, you're fine. Just don't let it happen again. I'm just kidding.
And 2%. It's very low serial number.
You sure didn't make this elevator big enough, did it?
We all right.
We just
You're all right.
express all the way
It's all right.
to
We're just
5.
stopping.
Going up?
Well, this is 5. Why did it skip 2?
It's an express elevator.
Excuse me,
Oh.
What is it?
It's right behind you.
We skip floors.
Oh,
Well, why you skipping floors if there's somebody that needs to be on a different floor?
I need 2.
We only need 2?
Yeah.
I'm gonna hit that back on the way down for you, okay? We're up to 7 now. So I'm just taking a video. Alright, I'm gonna send you back to 2. And we're gonna also open up.
Going down.
That's weird. Here we are. Let's go back down. Flashing lights. These elevators serve the Med Inn, which is a hotel. We're back on the lobby level.
Why is it missing 2?
We gotta get off at the lobby, I guess.
Yep, this 2 is the lobby.
Told you.
No problem. Ballpoint pens ain't just.
This is elevator bank 11. This one's got a side panel. One.
Floor 1.
7's locked, as you can see, go to 6. It's another Schindler modernization.
Floor 6.
It's nice and quiet. They may have been Otis.
Floor L.
Kind of a controversy. That's 2, but the floor is actually L. This is elevator bank 12, the Cardiovascular Center. Also a really busy bank. Go to 5. And they'll go to 3, 4, 4. Down to 1. It's an interesting door look. Nice little.
Oops, sorry.
These are the research floor's staff elevators at University Hospital. Two elevators here. Go to B2. 7. So once again, Eleronic 411s, this time not modded. Back to 2.
He probably has.